I'm Scott, and this is the EdgeStar DEP301EW, the 30-pint Energy Star rated dehumidifier. Now this unit will extract up to 30 pints of moisture out of the air per day and holds it in a 3.5-liter bucket. Now 3.5 liters is about 1 US gallon. In addition, this unit has a continuous drain option. All you do is simply connect the drain connector and screw on a garden hose and you're ready to go. The DEP301EW has electronic controls that allows you to set the relative humidity level to whatever is most comfortable for you, anywhere from 35 to 80%. In addition, what's really cool about this unit is that once that humidity level is reached, both the fan and the compressor will shut off. That not only helps you save money, but it helps the unit run quieter. Now, as I said, this is an Energy Star rated unit and plugs into a standard 115-volt 3-prong household outlet. I'm Scott, and this is the EdgeStar DEP301EW, the 30-pint Energy Star rated dehumidifier. Keep your home dry and pick one up today.